Hi, welcome to the video. It's going to be a bit of a different one today. We're going to try a challenge. We're going to try making a dessert style candle. I think we're going to aim for like a strawberry sundae looking candle. I've watched a few YouTube videos already, so I've got a rough idea of what to do. Need to make a coloured candle with a bit of dye and then whip a bit of wax. So it's going to be the first time doing it. So join me as I attempt to do something new. Hopefully if it all goes to plan, I will have done a thing and we'll have a glorious looking candle that looks delicious. So stick around, see how it turns out. Press the like button down below and subscribe. Let's start by filling it with the wax melter and getting on with it. So as I said previously, I've never made a candle like this before, but I have made a candle, so that's where I'm going to start with. So a candle with a bit of red dye that I've got laying around. Hopefully I'm going to aim for a pink hue, a bit like a strawberry milkshake, or like a strawberry sundae. At this point it looks a bit like blood droplets. If you guys remember the TV show Dexter, it sort of reminds me of that. But I'm hopeful that it's going to look delicious, but we'll find out once it sets. Now this scent smells absolutely incredible. It's luscious sugar plums, really cool. I've been using it for an Alice in Wonderland inspired candle at Mad Tea Party, and it works perfectly for that. Right, first part done. We'll let these set, come back in a couple of hours. They look pretty good. I think that's bang on the colour we're looking for, so I'm well pleased with that. We're going to heat up a little bit more wax, ready for the whipping. Quick sniff of the candle whilst we're waiting for that to cool. Now this was the moment I was a bit dubious about whipping wax, but actually really quite impressed with myself. We're going to give it the test over there, but it's come out really well. So yeah, pleasantly surprised. I haven't got any piping bags, otherwise that's what I would have used, but we're going to try and spoon it on, make it look a bit like whipped cream. This is going to be, yeah, just me spooning on fake cream, whipped wax. Enjoy this. Yeah, pretty happy with what I've done so far. I sort of try and neaten it up, make a bit of a mess, but anything like this, sort of a whipped cream dessert, it's never going to look crispy. Next up, I melted a bit leftover candle mix and tried to pour it over the top, a bit like syrup, but you can't really see what I'm doing. Can't see it at all. But you get the idea. Melted it, poured it on, then it dripped down the edges, creates sort of a strawberry syrup effect. At least that's what I'm going for. Time for a quick photo shoot with a little bit of decoration. But yeah, that's what I've made. I'm pretty happy with that for the first go. I'll give it sort of a 6.5, 7 out of 10. Well good. Pretty pleased with myself. Did a thing.